Alright guys, I can't come back into the video today. It's a little foggy. But just got done raining earlier. I'm out of breath. I ran down here as quick as I could. But yeah. So I coyote hunted yesterday. Didn't get nothing, but I saw a bobcat. I caught in a bobcat, so but anyways, I'll show the bobcat, the film of the bobcat, the clip of the bobcat later. But for right now, I'm gonna show y'all my setup. I have my 7mm 08. That's my tripod. New hunting bag. I've been through it before, I think, on a video. I'm using my Primo's Call. Not sponsored, but I picked up this today, and it might help if a bobcat doesn't grab it and run off with it. I got a decoy. See my decoy? That's my call sitting right beside it, but that's my decoy. But if a coyote starts running towards it, I gotta shoot him before he gets towards it, because he might grab it and run with it. So this might get interesting. So let me zoom the camera back out. And yeah, I had that bobcat. Y'all see in the video, he was right by that bush, and then he walked all the way around me. I'm hunting in the same spot I did yesterday. But yeah, so I'm gonna shut up, get all my stuff set up, and get to calling. See if we can call in one of these coyotes. So we'll see what happens. One more time, look at it flickering out there. Pretty cool. It only holds 4 AA batteries. You would think it'd hold a bigger battery, but I don't know. I think I can hook it up to my call too and control it with my remote. That'd be pretty cool. I'll figure that out tonight. But yeah, so I'm gonna shut up and get into the video. Alright guys, there's a deer. Oh no, don't go in the woods. I'm trying to see what it is. I can't tell, there's a salt lick right there. Ah, step out of the bush. Look like a doe. Where'd she go? Goodness, she's a long ways away. There's the shooting house. She might come out on the pipeline, but I can't see the pipeline from here. I've been calling for like 15-20 minutes. I really wish I could control that decoy with this remote. I'll have to figure out that tonight, because the decoy's Primo's decoy, and the call is a Primo's Call. So I think you can hook it up, because there's a spot. It came with a cord, and there's a spot to plug in on the decoy, and on the call it says decoy. Or the spot on the call says decoy, so it should be a spot for it to plug in. I'm not sure. But if I don't get this camera going, I got my GoPro in a tree. So we'll just have to see. But I thought that was cool. A deer. It came walking across the power line. I don't know what it was. I have to go back and look at the footage. I don't even know if I've seen it. I'm glad the cows are moving off, but that's pretty cool. I've seen so many animals sitting out here deer hunting. Or not deer hunting, but coyote hunting. I wish it was deer season. But let's get back to calling, I guess, and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm just sitting there calling. I don't know if something's chasing them or what, but there went like 4 more deer running across the power line. There was the one that I showed y'all. I don't know if that fixed it or not. There was one, like, right there that y'all saw. And up top, about middle ways, like 3 or 4 more just ran across. I think it was 4 more. Look like big old does. I don't see nothing after them, but goodness, they were running. Goodness. Animals are moving this evening. There was, I think, 5 deer total. 'Cause I think I counted 4 running across there. There could have been more before that, but I just didn't see them. Goodness. Is that something up there? I think I see something else. I don't see nothing. That was crazy. They're probably on that power line, or that pipeline. That's the power line they just came from, but I think they're on that pipeline because that's where they were headed. Pipeline's just to the left of that power line. That's crazy. No telling what you'll see out here. But I ain't seeing no coyote, so something needs to happen. Oh, about to drop my gun. I need a bipod or a tripod bad. I'll order one, I guess. That was crazy. Back to hunting. Okay, guys, not much has happened, I will say. I wish that tripod was up a little bit more, like that. There we go. It might not be enough. That's about as far as it's gonna go, though, so I can do that. Alright, so not much has happened, except those deer crossing. So, yeah. It's getting kind of boring, just a little bit. And, yeah, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and roll the clip of that bobcat from yesterday, because that was the most interesting thing that's happened in 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll that clip, and yeah, after that we'll see what happens here. And yeah, so I'm gonna roll the clip now. Alright guys, there's a bobcat. I ain't gonna shoot him, but look at him. Here he comes. He's like 15 yards. As soon as I turned on the call, he showed up. I would shoot him, but it's not winter time, so the hides aren't good. Look at him just sitting there waiting for me to turn the call on again. Let's turn it on and see what he does. Time to mess with him. He's just sitting there. They're like, he's more than 15, he's like 20 yards. Oh, here he comes. My call's in that bush. Oh. That's a baby bobcat. Half grown. Alright guys, I moved spots. I know y'all can't really see me, but moved spots. Nothing really interesting has happened. Like nothing at all. I don't know, I guess I'll try it in the morning. I'm more likely will film it. But yeah, that's gonna end today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed that Bobcat. That was pretty cool. That Bobcat that came in. Yeah. So we just hit 53 subscribers today. I know this video is coming out tomorrow, but the day before this video is out, we hit 53 subscribers. Let's keep it going. If you liked the video, or even if you didn't like it, hit the subscribe button. It's easy to do. Hit the bell notifications right beside it. It's like a little bell, so you get notified every time I upload. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Let's try to get to 60 subscribers. And I will catch y'all in the next one.